I go.
Officer, leave me alone.
I go.
Leave me alone.
Offense number 30. Officer, fall down.
Oh, officers, wait till even things that they do. Who not gonna drag me like Christmas goat?
Okay, you no do anything, police just they arrest you for nothing. Now so we they go they arrest people, you dey grace thunder fire. Waiting be today, waiting be today,
Saturday.
Thank God say you know today na sanitation. Where people dey their house, they mop their house, they clean their house, do things in order. You dey wear white and white. They do guy man. If they not be taken, now woman you they go take them. Now woman you they go find them.
Okay. Officer, I go allow me gonna arrest me on one condition. You know say nobody is above the law. I go follow una. Una go first of all arrest una self because una no do sanitation today.
I go first go arrest your mama before you.
This man na thief.
Come go to the cell, finish it.
I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police, yo. I know they take nonsense in go. I know they take nonsense at all, yo. Ichanyi piaka sewa. I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police, yo. I know they take nonsense in go. I know they take nonsense at all, yo. Ichanyi piaka sewa. Ichanyi tiri siwa. Ichanyi kuka.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir. I just arrived the village in question. Sir, the Sergeant Imo's village. Yes, sir. I'm there, sir. I'm launching into investigation immediately, sir.
And no mistakes. When the chips are done, you let us know.
Sure, sir.
No problem, sir. Nigerian police, yo. I know they take nonsense, Bachalanya. I know they take nonsense at all, yo. Uche gidi kwaya. Abum Nigerian force man. Sergeant Imo. Sure, sir. Oh, correct, sir. I know they take nonsense. Yes. I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police, yo. I know they take nonsense. I know they take nonsense at all, yo.
What is all this?
Okay, if now English they speak, where are you going in this season?
I just don't understand.
Answer his question. You are asking me. Don't understand.
When does it become a crime for somebody to walk under the rent? Don't touch this umbrella. Don't touch this umbrella.
I go hit this.
Don't touch this umbrella. Leave my umbrella.
Come on, leave the umbrella, boy.
I can't remove this umbrella.
Fine boy.
Why are you looking around this village? Are you not seeing that rain dey fall?
Fine man.
You carry that.
This one na dada.
Big ball.
What is all this nonsense?
America wonder.
Big ball.
What is all this nonsense?
Come. Hey, my friend, you under arrest.
Arrest? For what?
For walking around, patrolling, looking for all these small girls.
Number 2 with Dada and Rat.
Oh,
Fine man.
Then the greatest offense is what?
Say I'm not.
now listen.
You under arrest.
Listen. When has it become a crime to wander around in the village? Huh? Now, by the way, which station are you taking me to?
Answer that question.
Sergeant Imo
Station.
Thank you.
Sergeant
Now.
Imo?
Move this man.
No, wait. Sergeant Imo. Sergeant Imo again? Hey, why now?
Move this one, let's go.
Why take I see fresh boy?
You are secretly go.
Guys, make out of this man.
What?
I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police.
Mommy, good morning.
Good morning, my dear.
Mommy, how are you?
I'm fine. You are looking good on
Yes,
this uniform.
this is Nigerian police.
I know.
Recruit. Oh,
I take it, my son.
Mommy,
That's the hard work of my son.
Yes, your son is doing fine. Mama, I was in the office hearing a wonderful aroma that is rotating.
Really?
Like NTN satellite network.
Hey! This one you're doing like a sniffer dog. What is your problem? Are you well at all? Look, this one.
Mommy, I would like you to give me food, maker.
To give you what?
Food. I want to chop.
Spell food for me.
Food. F-O.
Amarachi! Okay. Because my son recruited you and gave you uniform. Eh? The other day you came looking very, very hungry, like a hungry goat that is about dying. I gave you food and you ate to your satisfaction. On Saturday again, I gave you porridge yam. After eating, even you use your tongue to wash my plates. I never complained. Today again, you were at your station. You perceived the aroma of my soup and you start running down to this place for food. Okay, here is now a charity home, an orphanage, where even children of dead people, even mad people, born throw away, they will come and feed.
Mom, it's not like that.
Okay, here is now police kitchen, canteen. Let me call my son. Imo! Hey! Imo got up.
Mama, please.
Imo got up. Recruiting mad people, hungry people. Every day I'll be feeding them. Okay. Imo!
Did you want that to
This uniform must go off.
It's better I stay hungry.
Imo!
Children,
It's better you go hungry. If I see you here another day, this uniform must surely go off from your body.
You can never see me next time.
Start going, Biko. Go to show back what you can do when I watch your girls.
I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police. I know they take nonsense. I know they taking nonsense.
Over. Enugu State, over. Saladimo office, over. Everything, over. General, over. 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 Serious case. Buhari called me and said that Abuja is on fire. So I want to call over
Yes. Buhari called you that Abuja is on fire.
Yes.
And you are the fire quencher.
We are progressive.
You are progressing. And they will fire brigade. Or fire extinguisher. The fire in you, have you quenched it? You've not quenched the fire in you and you want to quench Abuja. Eh?
Okay, wrap around the skirt. The more I want to forget it. I got on my phone. Over.
Abuja over. Come on, Abuja over. Alili go over. No more for the go over. Ebelo go over.
Over.
I hear now dog over. Asumri go over. I hear let go over.
Thank you, sir.
By the way, who gave you my phone? Answer me first before you.
I did her phone and I speak it.
Phone rang. Bararam. Nago Buhari akpogo.
You dey here phone rang pararam. Ya run na go Buhari. He pick a pakukugo. Only low wago. If you don't drop that phone, na him get make me to shag noche.
Be careful. Is it like this, sir?
How can you do your job and do my own? You know kind. That reminds me. What do you go look for my mama kitchen?
You see, I came to work, so I was in the office sitting there. I saw them was hearing a wonderful aroma.
He was hearing wonderful aroma.
So I entered. I told Mama to give me.
Okay, you told Mama to give you small aroma.
Aroma.
Small thing.
When you heard the aroma, did you hear the other as well?
Yes, I heard the other. The other was. The other was.
Other mom called on.
Other, okay. Food.
And you heard the other.
It was.
Chai. On the way. What is it? You see what you employ?
It's good, he had him. We are progressing.
Good on your progress. Is there any progress from this one? You heard okay, progress. Progress. On your fact. And I just go. Mago one not there. You're progressing. Eh? Give me any progress. Or you can a member of your family. Yes, he reincarnated from your family because if not, you wouldn't have suggested that he's progressing.
You don't enter insult too. You don't enter insult.
Who they here? Now who they here? Yeah, welcome. Introduce yourself. Now who you be?
Officers, expiry the call. Eh?
Waiting the express they call.
Are you trying to insult us?
No. Can't you see that we are officers from Sergeant Imo station? Huh? Get one criminal where just terrorize this community. And you look like that person. Hey. Because this is your BS, I'm suspecting you.
Officer, I not be criminal. Look me well now. I resemble criminal. Officer, even your colleague, he came. You know me very, very well. Ask and I go tell you. You know me, I not be criminal, officer.
Okay. Where the owner of this shop? Where you dey? Come out.
Who be that?
See the talk, Abi. Come out.
You glad say no get respect, Abi.
Now just the raise voice, they disturb my customer.
Glad say no get respect, Abi.
Oh yeah. Show us your business premises receipt permit. Too fast.
Nah, now every day when they collect this thing. Wait here, now open this shop for now. If Sergeant Timo no come, he go send the wife. Now the two of you when he send.
Okay, they talk back at us, Abi. Your money na 10,000.
Make I hear say I give you na 10,000. I open this shop for now.
Okay.
See, no open eye for me, oh. Not because I dey keep quiet. See, I be mukadiala. No can just say open eye for me. Now no open shop for me.
No brother, no diala for police thing. If you no give us 10,000 naira now, we go close this nonsense shop and drive away all these customers here.
Calm down. No be open shop for me. No be 10,000 they give Sergeant Timo. Now 5,000 they give am.
Oh, you know say that 5,000. Oh yeah, do the thing where you supposed to do fast. Make we come out here.
It is a 10,000 na what I leave. I be 5,000 na what I leave. Do.
But officers, this una uniform fits una well. Police work fits you, but you can't be say your uniform no get badge.
No identification number.
No code. Talking. Okay. Because today here they look you, they drink, they talk.
So let this thing. See, make una no dey disturb.
If you talk again, enter cell. Shut up. How much dey here? We are not here for you.
See, make una no dey disturb my customers. I go pop person internet. I go pop person kaka one day.
You get law say you don't bring the money. If we come next time, if you talk, now cell you go enter. Officer, let's go.
Prison, na where you go.
Don't mind the idiot. Let's go. If you talk again, I'll finish this drink.
Officer, leave a drink now. Waiting.
Okay. Sorry for the embarrassment.
You go change my drink.
No, no verse. No verse. Don't mind this.
But wait, you missing as so these people they take collect money from your hand every time like this.
To God.
Unto say
every day he dey come here. If they don't collect 5,000, they will collect 10,000. Sometimes they will collect 20,000. They will close my shop. But I swear to God.
Auto say federal government bank kai abi.
One day, I go pour person in town. Kai. I go pour person kai for eye. The day I go shout to Guayim for them, they go know say you couldn't go and Osir Samamba no be the same thing. I go show them pepper. And they come first. My place your drink.
See, if you ask me, I go suggest people release this man. Me carry wahala they go. See, these 3 days when you don't spend inside there, without food, body go don't tell him. We don't show him say man pass man. I see him, let me release him.
And your talk will not be like your talk. You talk get sense inside them. Me self don't decide say we go release them because I'm going to be a so bad. Yes. You know, Igwe gave us 3 days. Say he give us 3 days to release him. And because Igwe has given that order, I wouldn't want any problem on our heads or in our hands. And nobody is coming from Abuja to fight for us. So the best thing is to release him. Let him go, and if he wants to die, let him die by himself and by himself. That is it.
Not be like you. Hey, at least your brain don't they come back small. Then they come down. Better me release the main day. We will not go put ourselves on big problem. I am basically Makwara.
I will not wait. It's immediate alacrity.
Show up.
So, this is how you people came back. So you guys came back empty-handedly. I sent you guys out for work. You just left here. Parade the show one around the whole village. Now I go see her uniform. A mega in there for a uniform on her. Come on, Braka. Where are your benefits of going out?
Oga, we dey grace. We no fit go out, come back empty-handed now. How no fit happen? We go that Kai man place yesterday. We come notice say the man never pay for the business premises. Anya cut a sign. We come harass him. The man give us 5,000. Okay? 5,000.
Bring up. Wow. Oh, 5,000. Are you sure it's only 5,000 he gave to you people?
5,000.
What did the carrier? What did the carrier?
5,000.
Okay. It's all right. At least this one is to show that you people have sense. Your sense are coming back gradually. Well, he gave you just only 5,000.
Yes, sir.
And what did he have the 5,000?
Yes, Oga. Get one man we will see for that bar yesterday. He come dey tell us say express the code. We no sabi wetin be express the code, so we no gree answer. Oga, wetin be express the code so that if we see am next time, if he ask us, we will first answer and then go ask us.
Yes, Oga. The man ask us say which kind of police officers we be wey no get bandage number and identification code. That one come knock me for head. Gwagam, boom, gwagam, because I never heard him before.
Okay. Oh. Now what you ask now? It's a very simple thing. But what will happen? We say,
person where ask that kind of question now, no harass.
Oh, you see,
no harass.
Person ask the capacity of that question. Somebody has given himself onto your hands. Question now how you know no there. Now when you see, that one will be on bashing get.
Okay, dey sorry. The beans why eat yesterday, you dey purge me. Now make I go house from that patrol. But next time, I go check them up.
land am gidigba for this station.
Yes. Now you are talking. Another one be say, being a hijack here, the chakwanya, the rank, even ID card, go.
Oh, the head
go.
Here will let go.
Hijack, tansobu. You gotta go. Stay away from that kind of person. But wait, is it from this village?
I don't think so, because we never see that man before for this village. Yesterday was the first day where we see him. We never see him before.
No matter. Try well. At least if they do like this, promotion will be on a dramat. No. Who name motor at least I don't know like 3-4 years. May promote
before
the month runs down. They promote
Oga. So long as say you give us this uniform, we go to bring returns every day by day. Every day. Permission to go for?
Permission to move.
Sure, sir.
Sure, sir. So.
You are going for Matrosa.
Yes. Be careful with the shoe, Maki. Can you cope?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hey, yow.
No, Becca. Esprit de corps. Esprit de corps. Appelez Mangoshi. Whoever that asks that intelligent question.
No, there she.
So?
There she. There she let me phone Abuja right away. I'm going here, amen. Hello. Come for Esprit de corps.
Arurala deno dio. Adeno dio. Ashi deno dia. Adeno dio. Iberibe deno dio. Adeno dio. Enwere ashi ndị na-arụ afọ. Ndị na-akwilu. Enwere ndị na-awishi. Adeno dio. Arurala deno dio. Adeno dio. Iberibe dikwu deno dio. Adeno dio. Enwere ashinkunku. Ashinke.
Just look at yourself. A whole sergeant of Federal Republic of Nigeria. You are eating along the road. Kai kola no gaka. Mama imela. Onyuku sergeant. Ina aga na ge na atano. Ndo mo kususi aga eze.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for your future. Just look at yourself. A whole police officer like you. Eating along the road bread na pure water. Ina aga jege nuzo. Ata. Takam.
Sir, it's hungry.
I know it's hungry. Sometimes I don't even know what animal species he belongs. Or woman, animal. All the same, you are out of stock. Now you expired material.
Sorry, sir.
You are stupid.
Thank you, sir.
Now listen. If you get to the station, pull off everything you are wearing and then lock yourself inside the police cell before I come. Don't touch me. Who is your chairman? Table man, go and lock yourself inside.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm on site. I'm on site doing the undercover operation, sir. Yes, sir. As a matter of fact, I have gathered enough interest on the said Sergeant IMO.
Please, whatever you are doing, be fast about it. Because the Commissioner of Police is on my neck on this issue. And I need tangible thing to tell him.
Yes, sir. I am on it. I am on it, very much on it, sir. Sir, you know that Sergeant IMO, he has been busy extorting money from the villagers, threatening to do this and that to them, even to take them to Abuja High Court. Sir, the one that is very, very, very bad is that the bagger even recruited some men under him, gave them police uniforms to serve in his station.
Jesus Christ. You mean he did?
I'm serious, sir. As a matter of fact, one of his recruited buffoons confronted me yesterday and threatened me with arrest.
Please, no problem. Sergeant IMO is doing more than is good for him.
Very well, sir. It's all right, sir.
And please, always watch your back.
I'll do that, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Officer.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Anything for the boys?
Sure, why not? Officer, this one for you now. Officer. So you follow the police officer,
No, one of the best sergeant. That's Sergeant Timo's office is concerned.
You people have a police station in this
I use in Papa house station there.
Okay, like this, Hey. I tell you, officer, police officer will fit you well.
Is he your girlfriend?
Now your sister.
Okay, not my sister. I never see this kind of person before.
Officer,
you left for this video. I never see this kind of person before. You fine.
Thank you.
After you come see me, okay?
Officer, police will fit you true. Hey, baby, so this road leads to the police station?
Yes, sure.
Just straight,
Straight.
Fine girl, I'll see you again,
All right now.
Okay.
And bye-bye.
All right, dear.
I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police, yo. I know they take nonsense, Inugo. I know they taking nonsense at all, yo.
Come out here.
I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police, yo.
Oga, I hear say there is a man who was here yesterday. Come they talk rubbish about my station. Me, and he was busy interrogating my boys. He was busy making all sorts of comments. Where is that man?
Yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, Sarge, if you see the way your boys were embarrassing my customers here, if you see the big embarrassment they gave my customers, if not be saying your boys,
forgive them.
I decrease.
If say no be my boys, you for burn them.
No, if you do that thing.
If for carry your own gun, shoot them.
Gun, okay.
Okay, where is that man? That man was seen or that man was found in your shop. And I'm sure he is still here, or you must know his whereabouts. I want you to provide that man now. Otherwise, you follow me to station, go and give statement.
Nobody there here. Now just customer wey come yesterday buy drink, sit down, drink finish. Even one of your boys have carried the drink, come out. And that's saying yesterday I see settle your boys.
Okay, so you want to tell me that one of my boys came here and carry your drink and drank?
Embarrass my customer.
And after embarrassing your customer, you still carry money and settle them.
They say now you.
This corruption where would they talk about now from your hand I go start the 3 times. So somebody come your shop, embarrass your customer, carry your drink, you still carry money and give them. Okay, you're a criminal.
That money on now you send them now.
Me send them. You carry money, give them. You know what? We will reach station. When you get to my station, you explain to the federal government what happened, the business you transpired with my boys that made you pay them. Since you cannot provide that criminal, Oga, you are under my arrest.
You never reach now.
Shut up!
Now just customer now.
I say shut up. Because whatever you do or say here now will be used against you in my court of law.
Sarge, you never reach now.
You never wait.
You never reach like me and you I do you fine.
You never
now.
reach.
Yes, Sarge. Sarge, I beg now. I go shout to Sarge. Never reach. I beg now.
Oga, if you force me, if you force the police officer of law, if you force federal government, you won't like what I do. If you try force me,
you know, I don't go to you now.
When we get to the station, you go tell me how good are you. Move it.
I know they taking nonsense.
Move. I collect my money there.
Sergeant Imo. Shansa. I know they take nonsense in Ugo. I know they taking nonsense at all. Yo. Ichanyi piaka sewa. I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police. Yo. I know they take nonsense in Ugo. I know they taking nonsense at all. Yo.
Move like this.
Ichanyi piaka sewa. Ichanyi tirisiwa. Ichanyi kuka sewa. I know they taking nonsense at all. Yo. Abum Sergeant Imo onyentikasi.
What happened?
Ichanyi tikasiwa.
Wala dey.
Ichakanyi piakasiwa. I know they taking nonsense at all.
He talk say one man meet them for road. They ask him plenty questions. Ask him this one, ask him that one. So he came open his mouth, give him direction to this station.
Dagini, is he mad? Onyesianye. What kind of what be this kind of problem? Say what person carry himself put inside? Must we go around writing information about our location? Hi. I mean a location officer. And you here location officer.
See, hey. Sometimes I dey wonder. I be like juju this boy do us. How manage recruit this boy for police force? I don't know as this thing take happen. I know just understand that. Person wey be say one single secret he came no get. Stupid idiot. Now so him mouth go dey no single secret. Man just dey run like typewriter wey no get break. Hey!
I no blame ma'am. The only person I blame is you.
Also?
It's also. I blamed you for giving him uniform in the first place. But that is by the way. This person that goes around collecting our information, who is he? Who him be?
Hi, If you ask me, now who I go ask? For me, it better make we use Guinea. We're rotutu, chowe woji before JJ. Vum come carry kwa statement Imo. Hey.
Every good way they here. Keep money for yourself. Every good way they here, do something.
Now what do you do here?
Shut up, that's your 50 man.
What will happen? I beg go and sit down. Carry this thing,
brother, come. Hey,
officer. Now waiting. What is it now? What is going on here?
You dey hold my hand.
What is going on now?
Let me tell you now. Tell me.
Tell me. Talk to me.
Somebody came into our station and lay a complaint. Say good they go around, they steal. Damn it, somebody property. Look at this one. Is it not ACB? So Scientimo now give us a full order to go around and arrest every goat where there this entire community. So this goat now is under arrest.
And they come
we are picking to the station.
Oga. No need of to say all this thing. Someone came to the station and reported that goat went to his farmland and be eating his cassava.
Yeah.
So the CEO of General Police, Sergeant Imo, gave an order that every goat waiting for this community must
we should get arrested.
Officer, my goat never come out here since morning.
Yes.
So how come my goat go spot things for people's farm?
Okay. God, let's go to the station.
Brothers,
you are not living here with my goat.
Don't drag me.
You better make you kill me and my goat. Make you kill me and my goat.
If you drag me, This goat must go to court.
Make you kill me and my goat.
This goat must go to court though.
No need of shouting. By the time we reach to the station, you do your complaint. Let's go.
You're not going out.
Let's go.
Leave this goat
now.
now.
You're not going out with my goat.
This is 21 years in prison.
You're not going out with my goat.
You don't leave this goat now.
Where are you coming from?
Sarge. Sarge. If I look at you, I see your father. Your late father was my very good friend.
When you see me, you remember the dead. Anyway, I'm not here for pleasantries. Okay, this certificate. Where is your papers for this gallon of wine you are carrying?
Have you seen our people sell palm wine with papers? Even our grandfather, my own father, even me, I have never seen people selling palm wine with paper. You are here to make your people proud.
By master, have you people sold the people, let people with the papers? So you want to teach me my work? Huh? Sergeant IMO worldwide, a whole sergeant of Federal Republic of Nigeria. You are here to tell me how to run my affairs in this community. You want to tell me what to do and what not to do. What in this country that does not have paper? No, tell me. Even the dead body inside mortuary, then they need tali, there was a very boss papers. There will be no ozu for them. And you are here opening your eyes like Okabra and Dikeh. You are telling me that you don't have papers for your drink. You are selling fake drinks without paper. You don't enter. Okay, you don't enter. Remember, if you look down on me, maybe because of the way I am, you think I don't have power. If I call Abuja for you, oh, so bring your papers, otherwise you will end up in my cell. Papers now.
I have never made such much sale this morning. Since you are serious of what you are saying, let me see if I can see something.
You know what you're supposed to do. You will not do it.
See Mary, see Jesus, police, see money. See police, see money.
What is this?
I have never made any sales this morning. This is the only one I can afford.
Must you make sense before you bring paper, provide paper for your business?
How would your father's brother?
Please spare me that nonsense. What is this? Do I look cheap to you? Are you going to police to cover? Get federal police of Federal Nigeria Limited. I mean Federal Police of Nigeria Custody. Give them this kind of money. You're gonna kind. What now, Bago? Bring your papers. Since you don't have, let's go to the cell. Move it.
I am Mazi Bekwe. The only good friend of your late father before he dies. And your mother used to come to my place and drink. Wow! I even know your return before you come and establish that station. Why don't you tamper justice with mercy?
I'm standing here. You want to move out? No, go. Ogamba, move now. No, just come be by. Oh no, so lori otori Olohun. You know kind. Some happen go bag po. And it's ka shege. Bring it. Bring it. Come on, searching it. Come here, to. Fuck you, nyam. Ndoko ni le fuck you go. You no gonna fuck. What can me try to be again this?
You are okay. Police ask go with it.
Nyam, bring that one. Bring it.
Judas.
Wait, stop. If you move on, I'm going to criminal allegation. See, let me tell you, I'm not taking this money because of the way you opened your eyes. So, no, go outside now, start talking. So I collect ordinary 220 naira from you. just because you mentioned my father's name. And I know, like my father said, so you be doing because I know you have an hand. You understand it now. Another one be say, I heard you say my mother used to visit your house. What for? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Your father was a very good friend.
My father was. My mother now didn't do it.
We even get to watch. You will give all this village in Wake appointment. I don't do on that tree. Tire. What if snake bites somebody here? Then go say, Oba, you do the waka.
What are you doing there? What are you doing there? What are you doing under this tree?
Wait, I beg. Now who give una the impetus, the audacity to ask me stupid question with that your smelling mouth? Why I sure say una never watch them since. They ask me for my own village. What did I do here? Una nowhere.
See, no need to ask this man more questions. No. Let us carry this man to station.
Carry who?
Sharpen.
No allow this black and black. Make this black and black. Make it continue to deceive una. So because of this ordinary black and black, una think say una be real police of una mind. See, una better make una just usually commot this black and black. Go carry and return to that konjawonja person. What they call himself Sergeant Timo. Una go return this thing before you go there later.
So Oba, you are insulting our DPO. See, for that, you are under arrest for character assassination. You have the right to remain silent because anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
I go remain silent as soon as I go to enter trouble.
You have the right for an Anthony. If you don't have one, the court will provide you one.
I go soon becoming Mopo.
What if I say you are going to the station?
Move it. These are the only short maker. Oba, move it. These are the only short maker. Where I buy from Lagos. The only short maker. Where I buy from Lagos.
Put that uniform! I said, put that uniform!
Although these people they are harassing us sensitively for this village. You have the right to remain silent.
Come!
I know a follow statement.
Come on! Your cop is... Hey, cop, I enter moto. If you talk there, don't come back to pass you. I said, shut up. Let's go. Keep quiet, my friend.
It don't happen. He went. I talk him. Original police officers don't land. He went. Hey. He over.
When you reach, when you get our visa, respect yourself. Now what you go enter cell now? Cell is meant for human being, not for boats and chickens. They don't say you don't pass gun, have you? I will spray you. I will spray you. What of the other one? That damn woman. Come on, shoot, go this side. I will spray you. Come on. That's why we escape. If you move, I will take myself from here. Jesus! So you serve your police, Abi? So you serve your police.
Get up! You said your police. Hey, come here, Peter exhibit. Come on, move. Get up. Don't worry. We don't go kill you. Get up. You know, I say police work to do, eh? Come, they go join better police.
You said get police, abi? It is a police work na cemetery work.
Officer, get them. Bring them out here.
What have I done? I said move. I go take you selfie.
Come on, move. Where is the prize suspect and his wife?
They escaped, sir.
No! Madam, move. Go off here. I must come get the evidence and make sure they don't escape. You enter the vehicle.
Okay, sir.
Move out.
Move it.
Move enter this vehicle.
This one.
Enter.
I will snap you. Come on, Damoto. Madam, shift.
Never dey thank God. But they never tell you say we dey wanted. Eh? We dey wanted now.
What are we going to do now?
You this your voice first. You see where this thing for body? When you begin to come out.
Wait.
Your uniform now. You won't make them use some dress us.
You dey mad. Something they worry you for head. The one why they inside I never come out. You want make I come out clothes, come dey naked. You didn't got them and eat.
You know better make they see your nakedness than for them to come catch us.
Then you come out your own make I they see them. Make you know better. You put a guy brought up. If you touch me, I'm going for a cast and go take me with a boy. What am I about?
You don't get sense.
I no get sense. Leave them like that.
We dey perilous time, you know. He shout.
We dey perilous time. You dey rapture time. You dey crazy. Eh? You dey crazy now. Your bad luck they follow me so. Why go to this voice? Why go to this voice? Your bad luck they follow me so. Which is why I listen to my mama when he tell me say make I no marry you. I for no day inside this mess. Why they inside?
You don't change topic. You don't get sense. I tell you. You don't get single sense. Me self. If I say I listen to my papa, not be my papa will carry picture, come show me. You show me picture, I agree. They go pay my dowry. Eh? I can't see you see another thing.
Photo. They show you photo. When you see me, why you no change your mind? Give him more test. Hey, I wanna go rapra. Get entangle into me. Gamaka. Ejinigi photo. That always when they show you photo, they use rope to tie you. My dad don't know. You don't know since I bend like this, my hands stay open. I no go mess. All on him, I what can you swallow it? Don't mess. Don't make me. Come, stop. Stop. That's your go make them see us. Swallow it. It is your husband's integrity.
Demon follow the pursue us.
Come now, what happened? What happened? Hey! Talk to me now, what happened?
My sister, I mean policemen. Hey, where? Real policemen that are all over this place, searching for Sergeant Imo and his wife. Hey, Jesus! Everywhere, you mean everywhere? As we are talking now, they are still looking for them, and you're asking me everywhere. My just like you guys are not serious. Hey, did they get? again, go. Alarm.
I'm not going again.
Alarm.
Thank you again, Your Highness, for accepting to see me.
Yes, Detective.
The Commissioner of Police sends his appreciation for the petition you have written in such a matter. But we have been wondering why you allowed such impersonation to go on for so long within your community, my king.
Honestly, Detective, I never knew that Sergeant Imo was impersonating the police force. I knew him when he was taken into the police. Little did I know that he has been sacked.
It's quite unfortunate, Your Highness. As a matter of fact, the said Sergeant Imo had been sacked from the police force for a number of years now. And yet he goes around parading himself. Truth is, we are happy we have caught his mother and those men he parades around as his officers.
That's good.
They're helping the police to make, with our investigations. They've made confessional statements that will help our investigations. As a matter of fact, they have made confessional statements that will assist us in apprehending him.
Yes. You people have tried so much. Thank you very much. And I promise you that my subjects and I will make sure that we track them down and send information to you people. So that we go and arrest them.
That is very, very beautiful, Your Highness.
Yes.
We will appreciate that so much, so we can effectively put in check all this kind of impersonation and fraudulent activities.
Thank you very much.
Your Highness, if you don't mind, sir, that's my card. My number is on the back there. It would be very nice if you would call us the moment you have any information, any leading information that will help us apprehend them. We will appreciate it.
Consider that done.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. My men are outside. They are waiting so we can take these people back to Abuja.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for the information.
Thank you, Your Highness. Igwe!
Yes, Detective.
I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police, yo. I know they take nonsense, Inugo. I know they taking nonsense at all, yo. Ichanyi piaka sewa. I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police, yo. I know they take nonsense, Inugo. I know they taking nonsense at all, yo. Ichanyi piaka sewa. Ichanyi tiri siwe.
We don't turn to 9 billion more here. Now small thing remain now go turn to Nebuchadnezzar begin the chop grass.
Can you for once close your mouth? Eh? Can you for once close your mouth? Make I hear. The only time when your mouth be closed now when you are sleeping. Apart from that, you cannot want to typewriter. Allow man they here they think of next line of action. Give them Ghana Kusumuka.
Which next line of action? Not be put person for this kind of condition. Not be you.
How I take put you for this condition?
The time about they tell you say make we go Aba, make we go Onisha, make we go start buying and selling. You know agree. I want to collect my pension. I want to collect my gratuity. Why get no more here collect gratuity and pension?
You don't get mouth now. All this way with the work money, they flow, they enter. Did you complain? Okay, no, now we are sergeant. Sergeant Onwike, it was Sergeant Onwike, Gikelia, Sergeant Tebuelu, Gikelia, no law, Sergeant Agame, Bari Manaka, Guinea Kojegote, hang your shoulder, Ganonia. Now, small problem don't come. You know, if you use your number 6, Tacola, you know, got one, blah, 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 blah.
That's just a look, you don't get sense. You don't get single sense. Man, we no future, you don't get future. Man, talk what do you want to do?
Me no get future.
Yes. If you get future, now they do illegal work.
I no get future.
No get.
I don't see you now. Where future full for your head. But future go kwani more hako end. Anti future. Elengi no. Only home.
I hear pa.
Ele be won jogging home. From where you hear them?
It be like saying children where they play.
Better be demo. You know no papa no kwakwa. No kwakwa. Anything where you hear you
Piaka sewa. Sergeant Imo. Shansa.
I can't believe that Sergeant Imo is fake.
My sister, I didn't believe my ears until I saw those real policemen.
Okay, so when I was saying it, you people were calling me gossip. Of yeah? See, my annoyance was that he was not even apprehended. A merry arrest.
Do you think that they will not get them arrested?
Of course they will. And besides, where did Sergeant Imo and his wife run to?
As what now? As a bakute, gossiper. As their informant again.
You don't care. And besides, that should not be the reason why you should come here gossip. As Kenekwano. I caught as him.
Yeah, I will stop you. Respect yourself. Look at this girl. Are you not the one that started this conversation?
Okay. Two of you should not fight, please.
Yeah, because I'm out of here.
Wait, now where are you going to? Wait for me, Jerry.
Yeah, where is going to?
Wait, who's the fan?
See, I swear with my father's grave, if your body touch me inside this bush, if your body touch me, you no go like what I go do for you. What is your problem? See problem where we dey inside, you come inside bush can't sleep.
Which kind of talk with that one? So you sleep, catch me, I no go sleep. I no go sleep. You know my hand, I home just ready. But the way don't dry like stockfish. Now you dey here, let your body touch me. You go be like said body day.
My body dey like dry fish. My body came like a dry fish. Try your film again. Try your dose, my for any dose off. Come get past there off. But they had the ponder. My mind is telling me that these police people have arrested my mother. Yes. That's why I'm here thinking.
Well, your mama no get sense. Now small picking. How she go see say we don't on the run and she go just remain inside house like that? If police people arrest her, that one consign her na name na Oyo. On her own.
My mama no get sense.
Now
my own mama you open local mouth cause say my mama no get sense. But I don't see your own mama will get sense. Nigga with sense, yeah, mogo. Your mama get sense, come upon you like this. Why you not born you with a silver spoon? Bring got the slipper and I go, the radio get on. Yeah, mogo and she gets sense. Nonsense.
Maybe you don't talk finish. Abi, get ready to go Abuja. Because very soon they go arrest your mama. Now, you dey shock. Now Abuja go settle them now. They do what?
You see your life. I know say from the one you know like me. And that picture where you see from beginning, now you still there your brain. You know like me. Me where they run from these Ekelebe people. Me where they run from police. Now you want make I carry myself with myself by myself. Go Abuja, go submit. I had team Nigeria. I can never do it. Undoable.
If they run for police, if I be you, thank God I would wange. If they run for police, they run for police. Most of the thing be like way flavor they sing. But what you go do now? Think now.
I don't know anything we go do. Think my own brain know the work again. When him nature to this. You know I'm going to take his name. His brain not turn no take and down. Aging gaj not turn no focus. You know I can no longer think. So if there is still remaining thinking faculty inside you, this is the time to utilize it.
Yeah, while I do. It's heavy while because as you see me like this, my own brain, you go vacation, you know the house.
Again?
You go vacation, you go holiday. I don't think of anything. Now you are the calculate say you go come up with one idea. Because if you reach criminal matter like this, you quick bring a suggestion and solution.
Your brain go vacation. on a sabbatical leave. Also, I am on a sabbatical leave. Are you getting my point? If your brain like making go sabbatical leave, or sabbatarian leave, I don't care. So you better you think. Otherwise, now here we go remain inside this bush.
Think, okay?
Sleep, okay?
Oh, wow. Shana like this, you go there.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
How did they go?
Eat with me. Wash your hand. I thank God. I don't have the appetite to eat.
Eh?
I don't have the appetite to eat. You see how the police dealt with me inside their cell. If not, they say the grace of God, I would have been a dead person. Thank God they did not meet your brother and the wife.
Hey! Mama, thank God, though. Thank God he came back alive.
I'm thankful to God.
Thank God, though. Well, at least you have to eat something.
I'm very tired. What I need now is just to go run my bath and sleep, have some rest. I'm thankful to Igwe. The Igwe really tried. If not the Igwe, I don't know what would have been of me.
No, you're thanking God, though. Thank God.
What about your brother and his wife?
I've not heard from them since then, no.
Those people are heartless.
Mama, please,
those people are heartless. They must surely pay for what they have done. My dear, let me go in and rest. No, let me go in and rest.
Okay, let's go, Tazi. I'm coming, eh? Let me finish it. Hi! Thank you for saving my mother. Hey!
What are you doing at my back? What do you do for my back they do? Eh?
So no fit go behind my husband, run into the bosom of Abraham.
Mwa bosom of Abraham. Ihunanam Terminator that bullet does not penetrate into. Ihunanam Jackie Chan, Tigress, and Tiger Sis. Me cause waiting.
I thought you say we are there, no they okay for me. You dey okay after all, now you cause waiting to happen.
I say come out from my back. See, if you don't come out from my back now, I will raise alarm. I'm a tibu no haneza no lumuna gnab.
Hey, you should raise alarm. Eh? Or you want make I help you raise them? Raise them now. See, come on your gakanjo. No be you they define. Raise alarm now. After all, you're the prime suspect.
Oh, more prime suspect. I am prime suspect. But all this while when we dey for police station, they collect money. You dey answer IPO. You know, go. Now I am now the prime suspect, and you are now a free person.
You say IPO?
What were you? And then here's I got all this while.
Which one be IPO? IPO without portfolio. IPO when no get money. You don't give me money. The small money where they use my hand when I do my own business for house. If you go field work, the money where they collect, you go still collect them from my hand. I know they collect any money. So my own IPO no make sense. So no just carry me join for this problem.
You see him? Judas is carrot.
Boy baby.
Judas is carrot. Nke ka to the bepta now okok by prayer deny your Jesus Christ. Your own cock never crow.
Na Peter deny am. My name
Nigeria. This thing never happened. Back, you don't deny me. You gonna another means if they throw me inside prison, you no go even visit me at all. You go just deny me, deny everything about me. You go just go pushing as some put now.
I don't want my face to show. Just position.
Come back. You didn't go near Jezembo. You didn't go back. It's my mesh shed. Position. Do so.
Iberibe dino dio. Adino dio. Aruru ala dino dio. Adino dio. Ashi dino dia. Adino dio.
Kile womo.
Adino dia.
Wagodro. Ikikure kuela mana fada na yito hoza nino sultan. Namu, say what he want mobile bank. No wonder. Ola murgebele ekwe. Ola murguala ge ekwe. So wono ge ekwe bibiri. So give me one control ko ola ge ekwe. Hey! No tebere. Mba kam ko para sign yen nam e fobia. My big list.
65,000 naira. Rush to the market. Buy the clothes I asked you to buy. Igaro, Maka Ebe, Bakare, Bravo, Vinity, Mo Igaro, man, come in here with a sergeant. How wogan, you will not see me.
What did I want to use 5,000 naira buy?
If you don't want
to. Are you the children? Because my gaka. Because myself, I go even do my hair. My gaka, my style will go.
Well, I don't know.
I go do
just
my
listen
hair.
to yourself.
Tell me go.
Magaka. Big ego. Ijagezo waga. Eh? You sure I'm not
going to make my hair again.
You make again?
How many clothes I go use this one back? I go make you on top that one.
See, you know, say you no get shame for your life. Person way in house they born, see they chase rat. Only then I walk on a choke. Eh? Don't you know as you are now what you're supposed to do? Anything concerning fashion, you're not supposed to talk about it. If we should put out a gig and gishi groko, ganu nite, you raka shenka powder, runi sheni hugo, so that you go disguise yourself. Yeah, some happy go back again salon, gaga white shock, wella pagishi. Stupid woman.
I'm a dumb woman, you man. Jesus. See, no be me commit crime. Now you be the police officer where they find. And besides, in another village road we dey. And you last side.
And if we dey another village, Nko, did I tell you say this place now our resting point? Is this our final destination? Don't you know we still have plan to forge ahead and to move ahead? God give me shit. I saw get pony my hair. You won't know me. Typewriter.
As you see me like this, I dey happy. So if I go now come back, we'll come share the money. Makada mama. Only buzo feli beaka.
Enwere ashi ndị buru ibu, enwere ashi ndị tara ahụ. Ihe niile bụkwa ashi na ashi yo.
Mama, don't worry about Brother Imo. Ever since that day the police invaded here, we've not heard anything about him. I'm so worried. I'm very, very worried.
Why should you be worried about them? Why should you be worried about them? Don't you know that your brother and the wife, they are two bad eggs? Two bad people, very bad. Amusu ojo mmadụ abụọ. Amusu abụọ gbara n'ofu igbe. Their plans was to kill me, but it didn't work out for them. Amusu abụọ gbara n'ofu igbe. Amusu m na-amaghị ebe ha shi. Keshi be febam n'afọ, keshi be ekono ka ebia. But it didn't work out for them.
Mama, they will not kill you. Whatever happens, Brother Imo is still your son. No? He's still your own blood. You should consider him in everything. In his well-being should be your concern.
Okay. You're now Mr. Preacher. Let me just tell you. Don't ever mention that name again in this house. And also the name of that of the wife. I don't want to hear about those two names in this house again. Birds of a feather. You want them to come and, so that I'll run pressure. High BP boom, get the happy, you'll be at all go to. Eh?
Mama, I've said my own no. A farmer should not abandon his farm just because it's overgrown with weed. Consider Brother Imo, he's your son. No?
Mechon, ikuchana biko. Auri ikuchana gega no ihe na-eme jigo okwu. Nene yam serege jigo okwu.
No, it's not fair.
Jigo auri ni ikuchana ge. Ji nwa yo bra na kitchen ga mewe ihe na-eme. Ginye m maka m jichara akwụkwọ ni.
Iberibe dị n'ụdị o. Ọ dị n'ụdị o. Arụrụ ala dị n'ụdị o. Ọ dị n'ụdị o. Ashị dị n'ụdị ya.
The Bible talk say, no peace for the wicked. But me, I not be the wicked. Now God, you know me now. My name is Najelina, not be wicked. God, ndị menigwe buhere ndị polisi ihe. Nye ha ntụziaka ebe Sergeant Imo ka ha ga ebe ahụ jide biko onye nwe m. He's not me now. He's the prime suspect. Me, I'm only the accomplice. Accomplish something. God, I beg you, help me now. If I come over for this while, I'm not going to do anything will be legit. And legit I go to do. Now promise what they make to you here. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of God. Okay, now your name, self. Okay, God, I beg you in the name of you.
I didn't know I see they know they could know I didn't know Imanarala they could know I say they could know I didn't know I am this, I am that child. I didn't know any label Ashashi. I didn't know I say they know one them. I didn't know and when I sing Dina Raffo Dina Wishy and we quarantine touch you.
Give me my own money now as it dey hot. I no dey for story. If that's from grammar. You go on so. Chiko kan go get one police. I'm for opera police apu bogina. Opu bogina mana go agma me shigia. I'm just throw it out. Me shagia. Obala nego. You no go become no lamako. Give me my own money now. I go talk waiting with you. I go talk waiting with you. If you don't reach money, go open. Another time you go remember say you be head of the family. You owe me. My body belongs to you.
They said they are mobile Supreme Court.
Okay.
They said they are
This is 5,000 naira. Hold on. Which kind of nonsense talk? Take the 5,000.
You get 5,000 naira waiting. I beg 5 money give me. I go give me 5,000 naira. I then go back to boarding school. Give me my money. I go talk. This will not be your pension and gratuity. Nothing concern your pension and gratuity for this one. Give me my money.
Hey, this is 20,000 naira. Hold on.
If I can't, you know that you no go like me.
As you don't collect this money now, the serious matter of the matter be say you go to pay rent, or you go rent another place where you go there they do your barristering. That my grandmama house can no longer condole or contain two of us because I am a forceful lawyer that has BCD in degree. So you can never step your foot into that my grandmother.
When my HIV in the degree, demonic forces, you're a forceful lawyer, do more for a while. No, surely.